Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I created this beautiful textured wall art that was inspired by the restoration hardware. Now, I did this with only a fraction of that price. I bought this canvas at the thrift store for only $5. So let's get started to see how I did this from start to finish. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you learned something from this DIY. Enjoy! Guys, do not sleep on your thrift store. I only paid $5 at the thrift store for this canvas, and it's a 30 by 40. All I did when I went home, I painted it white and let it sit overnight, and the next morning I started my project. So guys, if you want, you could definitely leave it just like this. But I wanted color to mine, so I added this dark gray paint. Now, that's the fun part with a DIY. You could customize it the way how you want it. You could add multiple colors or just one color like I did and just play around with it. I added more spackle, I added more paint in different areas, but it came out to how I want it to be, and just have fun with it. Once it's done, I just literally spray painted it with this clear satin finish from Rust-Oleum, and I just let it sit there for about 2 days. I didn't touch it or anything, and just leave it. And then once it's dry, I put it in my dining room, and you'll see it here at the end of the clip how I style it. So thank you guys for watching my video. It's a pleasure having you here, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and you enjoy your day. And thank you all for watching.